How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning into my video. The Department of Justice asked for more time to process over 211,000 comments on proposed arm brace rule. Before we get on with the video, I just want to ask you guys a favor, and after watching the video, if you enjoyed it or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please like the video, and if you haven't done so, subscribe, and please share the video with your family, your friends, and your co-workers, and that helps the channel out tremendously. This story comes from the Second Amendment Foundation. 9 months after the Second Amendment Foundation sued the Department of Justice and the ATF in federal court after ATF's flip on how it regulates stabilizing braces on pistols, the DOJ and the SAF jointly asked for a continuation of a stay in the legal action to allow processing of more than 211,000 public comments on a proposed rule on factoring criteria for firearms with attached stabilizing braces. The process is expected to take more than 4 months. Under the original proposal, guns with stabilizing braces would suddenly be regulated under the NFA, the same as short-barreled rifles. That would require a special license and a $200 fee for each firearm fitted with a brace. Without the special license and fee, guns fitted with stabilizing braces would be illegal to own. Back on May 4th, the court granted an agreed motion for a stay, which was extended on June 15th after the defendants published the proposed rule. The Federal Register seeking public comment. The comment period was 90 days. During this time, the agency was flooded with comments. According to a joint status report filed with the court, it will take more than 120 days for the DOJ to process all the responses. All parties agreed to the delay, according to SAF, and have requested that they be allowed to file another joint report on or before January 19th, 2022. Depending upon the DOJ's final ruling, the Second Amendment Foundation reserves the right to amend the court filing to include provisions of the new rule. Joining the Second Amendment Foundation lawsuit were Rainier Arms LLC and 2 disabled private citizens, Samuel Wally and William Green. In addition to the DOJ and ATF, the lawsuit also named Acting ATF Director Regina Lombardo and Acting Attorney General Jeffrey Rosen in their official capacities. The lawsuit was filed in U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas, Dallas Division. When the Second Amendment Foundation filed the lawsuit, there were several issues in play in this case. It concerns the failure of the agencies and its officials to abide by long-established and congressionally mandated rulemaking requirements, threatening rights protected by the Second Amendment. Another issue is the question whether the executive branch has authority to redefine stabilizing braces without approval of Congress. This is especially important to disabled persons because these devices were originally developed to benefit shooters with physical disabilities. However, stabilizing braces are used by people with and without disabilities, and more than 2 million have been sold, the lawsuit estimated. And we all know it's millions more than that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And as I mentioned at the starting of the video, if you enjoyed the video or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video.